All right, December 2nd, the year 2020, the year that everyone wants to forget, the year of COVID. COVID has ravaged this nation. Over 250,000 people have died from this disease. Thoughts and prayers to all those families. Thoughts and prayers to all of us. I just saw this commercial and it kind of did something to me, It was a Maya commercial. Family in their living room decorating for that great day that everyone is anticipating. Christmas. Then the little girl in the commercial is bummed out because of what's going on with COVID, et cetera, et cetera. But it's the message that the commercial is trying to portray. So I'm going to shut up and let you watch the commercial now. Give me a minute.
Well, this will certainly be a year to remember. Or forget.
It doesn't even feel like Christmas. We're doing it wrong. It's all wrong. They might as well just cancel Christmas. They've canceled everything else. Fine. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake.
Okay, tell me what do you think about this commercial? What is the commercial trying to relay? What is the message behind the commercial? Okay, these are my thoughts. I don't expect you to agree with my thoughts or whatever. The young lady is bummed out because Christmas. It doesn't feel like Christmas. She said you might as well cancel Christmas because they canceled everything else. Mom and dad and the little sis, they all decorating the tree, and she's bummed out. Little sis gets up, she goes to her room and sits down. Apparently she's sad. Big sis comes up, starts singing the song. He knows when you are asleep, he knows when you're awake, knows when you've been good, etc., etc., etc. This is a song about Santa Claus. So, in closing, Christmas is what Christmas has always been. Getting your hard-earned money out of your pocket. Now, whether you celebrate or whether you don't celebrate, people try to make Christmas into a holy holiday, which it is not. I dare you to prove that it is. And the proof is not what your pastor says, it's not what your priest says, it's not what I say. What does the text say? Can you find Christmas in the Bible anywhere? No. So don't tell me Jesus is the reason for the season of Christmas. Has nothing to do with that. This Christmas is what Christmas is, not what some people want it to be. It's about that money, people. You don't have to agree with me. I expect you not to agree with me. Post your thoughts. What did you think about the commercial? Peace.